Folks, it is Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to put together some prime rib. Now, to make sure this is a prime rib, it's got to say prime rib on it. If it's just a rib roast, it could be like a standing rib roast, it could be select or choice. But to get the true prime rib, you got to make sure that you're using prime beef. And as you can see, this beef here, there's a lot of marbling in there. This is a really beautiful piece of meat. It's 4.75 pounds. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to prepare prime rib in a way that you've never tasted before. It's going to come out absolutely delicious. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, folks, we're going to make up some handcrafted seasoning for our prime rib. And I'm going to be using a tablespoon of salt. Sounds like quite a bit, but it is 4.75 pounds of prime beef. The next, of course, goes in a little bit of 1 tablespoon of celery seed, and then over the garlic, absolutely garlic, we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, you could do this a different way, but this is the way I like to do it. It's my custom handcrafted prime rib seasoning sauce. And there goes in 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now, of course, you saw earlier we put the salt in too, but not. This is the cayenne. Now, I just like to give this a little bit of a pizzazz. You don't have to add this. I'm going to just put in probably a teaspoon of this. And at this point, we've got our salt, our pepper, celery seed, garlic, and cayenne all stirred up and ready to get our oven preheated to 350. You're going to cook this prime rib per pound at medium rare, 20 minutes per pound. So 4.75, that would be about 2 hours. Okay, now I'm putting down some virgin extra olive oil. Liberally coating our prime rib with our seasoning mix, and this will give this a really nice flavor. Get the backside over here, the sides completely covered. Now I said that 20 minutes. Now I meant that for rare. Now I like my prime rib rare, but if you wanted it medium rare, you'd probably want to go 26 minutes per pound. And probably, if you wanted it medium, I wouldn't even just cook this at all. But if you did, I guess probably around 30 minutes per pound at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, fat side down, into our preheated oven it goes. And after 2 hours of cooking, we're pulling this bad boy out. This is going to be good. This is out of our roasting rack. Now we just start slicing out some proportions of this, bringing it over to the tasting table. Doll us up with some. Folks, there it is, the prime rib. Oh my God, what a feast! Now, for me, I like a little bit of horseradish in mine. Put some freshly made horseradish right there. Slice this bad boy off. This is the prime rib. Oh yeah, with that nice seasoning mix on there. This is going to be good. Let's give this one a try. Absolutely restaurant quality. Make this up for your family. You never go wrong with this prime rib. Again, thanks for stopping by. The Ball Chef's special recipe here for prime rib. Really good stuff for the holidays, for special occasions. Give it a try. And as always, bon appetit.